This is our social media marketing plan presentation for Delta Drones. The contributors' names for this presentation are Caden Holt and Tomas Stevenson. The first thing we'll cover is what benefits does social media marketing provide and what will it do for Delta Drones. The first thing that social media marketing does in comparison to the traditional means of marketing is that it provides specific audience targeting. Most social media platforms allow you to pick which specific target markets you want to reach. This allows companies like Delta Drones to pick targets that will be attracted the most to their business. Social media also allows companies direct access to their consumers. Potential customers can visit the company's page directly to see what products or services are offered and visit their website or shop directly from the page. By doing this, companies also get detailed analytics on what demographics are accessing their page, liking their posts, and visiting their website. Another thing that is important to mention, companies can build a community on each of these platforms. If people like a company and are attracted to what they are posting, the company will gain followers and gain engagement on each post they make. Therefore, companies can increase company loyalty. Now, what is Delta Drones? Delta Drones is a real estate photography company based in Cleveland, Mississippi. They take photos and videos for realtors in the Mississippi Delta for their real estate listings. This ranges from commercial properties to residential homes to farm and hunting land. This is a relatively new company that was started in June of 2022. So what does their social media presence look like? They have a limited following on Instagram. As of now, they have 66 followers on their Instagram, which is the only platform that they have posted on. Their Facebook is extremely underdeveloped. Both of these need some work, but before we get into recommendations for Delta Drones, let's do a SWOT analysis. So what are Delta Drones' strengths? They are offering an innovative service to a region that is way behind when it comes to real estate listings. Realtors in the Mississippi Delta mainly use their iPhone cameras, don't edit them, and upload them to Facebook. Delta Drones provides the opportunity to create eye-catching photos and videos of its properties to attract buyers. They are also extremely early to the game. There also isn't any competition in the area. This gives Delta Drones an opportunity to look professional and also necessary for their realty to be successful. Next, what are their weaknesses? Delta Drones has an extreme lack of social media presence. Their Facebook has 0 posts and they have limited posts on Instagram. This leads to a lack of content and a weak portfolio, which is not attractive to prospective clients. It makes them look new, which is not a good look. They also have 0 reputation. The best form of advertising is word of mouth. Without a reputation, Delta Drones doesn't have access to word of mouth advertising. Enough of that. What are Delta Drones' opportunities? Delta Drones, as said earlier, has a tremendous opportunity to take over the real estate photography market if it strikes quickly. There is no competition and they are offering a fantastic service if they can capitalize on their opportunity. This leads us to threats. Delta Drones can ruin this opportunity by allowing another company to enter the market and steal it from them. They also could ruin their reputation by doing a bad job. The only thing people love to talk about more than how good a company is doing is how bad a company does. Delta Drones needs to ensure that they are doing a fantastic job at everything they do, whether it is on social media or on the job sites themselves. One thing can ruin the entire company. So what are the goals for Delta Drones? They need to increase the size of their community online. They need to have at least 500 followers on Instagram. They need to have a lot of likes and good reviews on their Facebook page. They need to have an up-to-date website. They need to build relationships with potential clients all around the Mississippi Delta. So how will they achieve these goals? They will utilize Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Their target markets for their posts need to be 25 to 50-year-olds. The reason for this is that realtors fall into this age range. So what is the budget? Assuming a $500 budget, Delta Drones needs to emphasize Facebook. 60% of the budget needs to go there. Realtors use Facebook all the time to post their listings, so it is more likely they will get engagement there. 30% needs to go to Instagram. This platform will be used to direct people to their website and build an audience. This is more for likes and less informative. The last 10% will go to TikTok. This platform will be used to make trendy videos with voiceovers and music strictly to increase their brand awareness and lead people to their other social media platforms. So what's the plan? Delta Drones needs to increase its online presence. They need to post actively on social media, need to update their website with a better portfolio, and need to be reaching out to realtor companies regularly on each platform. They need to make sure their posts are trendy and use appropriate hashtags. This will allow them to grow their audience. They also need to monitor engagement to make sure they are appealing to the correct audiences. Thanks.